Hey everyone, this is the second video in the How to Use Google Tools series. So right now we're going to create a new Google Doc, word processing application. So new, Google Docs, create a new document, name this one first Google Doc. You see changes are being saved online. Alright, all changes are saved, so everything's backed up. Here you'll see the folder icon. You can control where to organize this file in your Google Drive. If this is your first time using Google Docs, it should look fairly familiar to Microsoft Word or other word processing applications. You have your menu features up here, your toolbar, most commonly used tools, and we're going to get started with the title. We're going to align it in the center, give it an underline, the Google Tools Workshop. This could be the outline of this document. So I used a title format. You notice when I changed the text format, I changed the font size and the style. But you can make changes to font size and style manually. I recommend using this styling feature though, because it'll keep your document organized in the outline, which we'll go over a little bit later. Alright. Okay, next we're going to create a heading 1. Call this our topics list. And we're going to add a numbered list under here. It'll be drive, enter, go to a new line, start a new number. Tabbing will indent the numbered list and automatically create a sub-numbering system. 1, 2, 3 will be the top level, A, B, C will be the second level of the numbering system. So under drive we'll have upload and share. Shift tab will bring it back to the highest level. Docs, sheets, and slides will be next. Okay. Now I'm going to backspace and I'll kill the list. Now I'm going to highlight drive link, hit insert link. You can see it has smart suggestions for what you're trying to link to. Google Drive is the appropriate link. We'll apply. Now this text will link to the Google Drive welcome screen. Okay, we're going to highlight our list, and next to the number list icon, we hit the drop down to change the style. Okay, we're also going to highlight and change the line spacing to 1.5. Just trying to showcase as many features of this application as possible in our short time. You can find the undo and redo features up here, super useful of course. And you'll see the keyboard shortcuts, Control Z, Control Y. Okay, done with that for now. Enter down, backspace to kill the list. Going to insert another heading level 1. This one we'll call seating chart. I'm going to insert a table, make it a 10 by 2 table. Going to get back to this later, so I'll just click down, add another heading 1, call this one promotion material. Under this I'm going to add a subheading, a heading level 2, call this one graphic. And here I'm going to add an image from a search. Just search for a Google icon. Okay, this one should work. Okay, it's very large. I'm going to click it, hit the blue box, click and drag to resize it. Also going to see some slightly new options in the toolbar, like crop will appear. Cropping, the black borders will now show. You can drag in, enter to apply that crop. Okay, I'm going to add a little caption to this image, call it Google logo. Now you see on this image you'll have these three pop-out options: inline, put the image in line with text like we are now. You can wrap text around this image, so if we had longer text it would show up along these lines. Or you can break the text with this image, so it takes up a whole line, so the next text will go into the next line. We're going to leave it as inline. I like it right next to my image. Okay, next, going to highlight my seating chart title. Going to add a comment to myself that I need to fill this out. Commenting is nice to mark tasks on your document. Also, when you're collaborating with others, it's a nice way to communicate. Okay, in the File menu, you'll see you can download this as a Microsoft Word document. And to open that, you'll see it came through pretty clear. Translation from Docs to Word will rarely be perfect, but most of the time it's pretty good. Okay. You can also see the version history in the File menu. Okay, you'll see the date right now. If you expand this, you'll see after every step we made, a copy was saved by Google. So you can restore your document to any point in its history. Alright, also under File, you can run a page setup. You can modify your margins to 1/2 inch each. Okay. Under Edit, you'll see Undo, Redo, Paste. Pasting with and without formatting is a useful feature. So if you copy your title, go into the next line and Control V, just regular paste it, it'll come perfectly the same. If you go Control Shift V, you see the shortcuts, Control V, Control Shift V for paste, and paste without formatting. So paste without formatting will bring just the text. Regular paste will bring the format as well. Okay, so you can delete those. Alright. Also under Edit, Find and Replace. We're gonna find a word in our document. We're gonna find Docs and we're gonna replace it with Google Docs. Okay, we'll see it highlighted there. We're gonna replace it, and it exchanged the text. Alright, under View you can show and hide the ruler, like mine hidden. You can also view the document outline. That's what I was saying about using the formatting styles in the toolbar, because if you just size the text manually, it won't always automatically build the outline appropriately, but you can see since we used the styling in the toolbar, it built our outline perfectly. So our title, first heading, next heading, third heading, and our subheading. Really nice for keeping big documents organized. Okay, we can X out of that. Scroll down under promotion material. Going to add another heading level 2. Call this one chart. Here we're going to insert a chart, make it a bar chart. It's building. Okay, it's been built. You click on this. You can load in some sample data, but we want to customize it. So up here, our options, we can open the source. So it actually created a Google Sheet, and it's built a chart in the sheet, and it brought in the chart from this sheet. So we can edit this information to update our chart in the document. Okay, so I'm going to put some dates here: 2012, 2014, 2016, 2018. Make this a Google Docs first Microsoft Word comparison. Okay, just fill in some sample data. Okay, now back on our doc, you'll see we have the option to update because it knows that changes have been made. And there it is, our changes have been translated. Back in Sheets, click on our chart to edit the title. Call this Google Docs versus Microsoft Word. Okay, back in our doc, we'll update again, and all the changes are translated over. Okay, next we're going to insert some page numbers, and you'll see those automatically numbered up in the header. Alright, up under our title, we're going to make a little space. We're going to insert a table of contents with blue links, and this is a dynamic table of contents linking to relevant sections in our document. See promotion material link, we'll bring it right down there. Okay, under this table of contents, I'm going to insert a horizontal line to break our table of contents from the rest of our document. Okay, under formatting, you'll have options to, you'll have many of the same options in your toolbar. You'll notice everything. And we'll also have its keyboard shortcut right here, really useful for learning the keyboard shortcut to improve your workflow. You can break your document into multiple columns. Keep ours as one because that's how it was designed. Okay, you can select text and clear the formatting. Go to Control Z to undo that. Okay, kill this extra space. Okay, right here, I'm going to make a typo to demonstrate the tool spelling spell check. We'll give us suggestions, option to add proper nouns to our dictionary, but we'll want to change this one. And there it is, gone away. Tools also has a word counting feature. You can also explore a dictionary here. Good for finding synonyms. Okay. Add-ons, kind of like the extensions of Docs, allows you to build in extra functionality to your document. Like I added a translate add-on, so now I can translate anything that I select right in my document without having to open Google Translate. Okay, that does it for part 1 of this tutorial. We'll finish in part 2.